Okay, in this video I'm going to do a quick unboxing and testing of the RYOBI 1600 PSI from Home Depot. And if you wait to the end of the video, I'll give you my thoughts. Today I'm going to do an unboxing, which I really don't ever do. I've been messing with my old Honda power washer and prepping to wash down the Firebird and everything, and I just can't get this thing started. It's just been sitting too long. I got to replace the carburetor. So I went out to the Home Depot, and I bought a cheap $99 RYOBI 1600 PSI electric power washer. I'm just looking for something simple for $100. I figured I'd try it out and see if it's any good. That was super easy to hook up. Basically, inlet hose, screw it in, outlet hose to the pressure wand, hook up the pressure wand right here, attach this part of the wand, and then you're almost ready to go. You got 3 different nozzles. I would assume this is for the sprayer for like car washing and light stuff. Then you have the abrasive nozzle for high pressure, and you have the gentle nozzle. So let's go experiment. Oh yeah, one last thing too. Comes with this nifty little soap hose. Basically you plug it in on the side of this bad boy here. You drop this half into the bucket of soap. So let's go try it out. Simple green, half and half. Get my little spray pumper. Let's get to pumping. A lot of you are cringing right now, but this is an old truck. It's a 2002 Pathfinder. This is my winter beater. I don't really care. Just want to get all the crud off of the truck from last winter. It's been sitting for a while, just like all my cars. So just trying to get all the dirt off. After using this RYOBI 1600 PSI electric pressure washer from Home Depot, I gotta say, not bad. For $100, for what you get for $100, not too shabby. This is great for your do-it-yourself person. For washing cars, engine bays, small decks, small driveways, pressure washing doors, and vinyl siding and stuff like that. I don't think this is this is not really a commercial type of pressure washer. So if you're doing like heavy duty projects, then this is not the pressure washer for you. But for 99.9% of the people of homeowners out there, this is a pretty good bargain for $100. Now the only thing that I don't like about this is that it doesn't have any wheels on it, so you can constantly pick it up and move it around with you, but it's not a big deal, it's not a deal breaker. But the biggest thing for me is the spray wand is all plastic. Everything about it's plastic. The attachments to the hoses, even though it has a metal insert that attaches to the wand, the outside grip is like a hard plastic, and I already scratched it and dinged it up already in probably 2 hours of use. So through my heavy hands, we'll see how it holds up. But overall, for $100, not bad.